Hello guys, my name is CHETAN and today we are going to study about class 11th mathematics chapter number 1 sets introduction. In this lecture we are going to study about how to represent set, what is set, and the different terms that are used inside the set. That all things we are going to study. So let us start our video. What is set? First thing that we are going to study is what is a set. So this is the definition given inside your textbook. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. You need to understand what is well-defined. It is not any collection. Well-defined collection of objects is called a set. So let me tell you how and what are the ways we can write. First of all, any set can be represented. Name of the set can be given as capital letter of a b c d, like a b c x y z, whatever you say, that you can say take generally capital letters. So that is I'm focusing. Set A equals to, always you need to do curly braces, and all the elements, I will tell you what is element, should be written inside this curly braces of set. And yes, always keep in mind that your name of the set is in capital, and inside the curly braces always try to use small letter inside the element. So a set is a well defined collection of objects. Look here they said odd natural number less than 10. So odd natural number less than 10, you know which are they? Odd 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Less than 10. So you can say any other than this? No. So you are having fixed 5 letters inside this, or 5 numbers inside this. So I can say that this is the name of this set. I had given A inside the curly braces, and these are called elements, or you can call this object also, or member of this set also you can say. So inside curly braces 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are fixed, well defined. So we know these are defined and these are fixed. If I will ask you that less than 10, you will say the same number. If you go in any other country and ask them, you tell odd natural number less than 10, they will also say the same. So everywhere you will get this same term. So this is called well defined collection of object. How to write that also I told you, that name of that element, name of that set should be given in capital letter. How to represent their objects or element inside the curly braces, you need to write like this. Okay, now you can use it well defined. Why? Let us go with the second thing. So the 5 best teachers of your school. This is not well defined. Why? Because I like math subject. So my favorite teacher in school will be maths teacher. Somebody don't like maths, so that teacher will be not favorite of that student. So 5 best teachers of school. So you select any 5 and your friend select other 5. Possible there are few teachers that you both select, but few teachers you like and he does not like. So that is not well defined. So this is well defined. That's why we had written here. This is not well defined. Are you getting? This is not well, because it changes person to person. So this is not well defined. So we cannot write a set for this. Now let us go with the vowels in the English alphabet. So I can say, let me give another capital B inside the curly braces, and we know A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. So you can see fixed, well defined. Well defined means we get the same answer, everybody get the same answer, everybody knows this are the vowels. So this is well defined. Okay, now we are going to get some defined you can see these are also some examples of well defined sets that we already studied in our lower classes. In class 9th we studied about capital N, the set of all natural number. We know set of all natural number. Let me write down A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. So this is well defined. Everybody knows about this. But here we are going to use some terms for this well defined set, that is n natural numbers. So n for integers, we know integers means positive, negative and 0. So we are going to use z for that. So here we are going to, so you need to by heart this, guys, because now they are not going to write down natural numbers. They are going to give you capital N, and you need to understand they are talking about natural numbers. So n for natural number, z collection of or set of all integers. So z means integers, q means rational number. You know what is rational number? The number which can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equals to 0. This we have studied in class 9. If you had not seen that, you can go with natural number class 9 my video and you get all these terms properly. Now all rational number represent with q. Real numbers, all numbers that can be represented on number line, either positive, negative, all are real numbers, so capital R. Now again they are using plus symbol. This is for using only positive numbers. You say we know z plus. So in set of integers we are having all terms negative, positive and 0. But when they are writing z plus, means you need to use only positive numbers. So just remove negative number. That's why they will write z plus. You see this q plus means all rational number, but here you need to use only positive rational number, then all positive real numbers. Okay guys, so this also you need to keep in mind. These are some sets, predefined set already you have studied in lower standard, but just keep this in mind that name of the element inside the curly braces, and this way you need to write down. And yes, well defined. So you need to understand that all cannot be well defined. So some we can represent in set, some are not set. So just remove that. Okay. Now the third thing that they have given here is, if A is an element of A, means one set A is there and A, many are there, but A is element or object or member of this set, then A belongs to A. We can write down. It is confusing writing like this. So what we can do? We can write down that A belongs to. This is the symbol belongs to, we say, but actually this is epsilon. This is a Greek symbol epsilon that we use as belongs to. A belongs to capital A. When I say, and let me write down now. Suppose we are having a B and P, Q, R, S. These are, so what can I write down? P belongs to B. But if I say, what about A? Is A belongs to? A does not belongs to. So what you need to do? Epsilon and a line like this. So A does not belongs to B. So this you need to understand. This is belongs to, this is does not belongs to. This symbols just you need to remember. Okay, this is like, we know we have studied about equal to and not equals to, what we were doing, a line like that. Here also this does not belongs to. Okay, so this point they had taken, so I am taking it. Now in my next video I am going to explain you about different types of sets they had given here. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, guys. I am going to start full series of class 11th, all the chapters videos on this channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. All the students of India, USA, Canada, UK, Australia and other countries can join me for more videos.